Welcome! In front of me I have CMF by Nothing Watch Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically, how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the side button. After the screen wakes up, press the side button again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. Once you find it, tap on it. In settings, find the option called display and brightness and select it. And here you should see the option called auto screen off. Tap on it. And right here we have the list of durations, and we have 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds and automatic. Select the duration you like, for example 15 seconds, and then press on the check mark to confirm. And now my screen should turn off automatically after 15 seconds of an activity. So it should be soon, right around now I believe, or maybe a bit longer. Oh no, here it is. Okay, and that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.